Welcome to the Gonzo book. I'm Jose, and today's going to be a quick video. I put slam latches on my compartment doors, and they look great. But what am I going to do with the cam locks? Am I just going to leave them there? The silver lock and the silver twist. I took the twist out, put another lock in there, and this is what I did. I bought some plastic caps for them that exactly fit these type of locks, so you can keep the dust out of them and dirt and the rain. So let me show you what I did. This is the slam latch, and this is the dust cover, and that's how it looks. I put the old one back in because I used the other one somewhere else. You don't never need to go back in there again. So that's it, slam latch. So I bought the black one. It looks very nice. Cool. Let me show you the other side. Looks very nice. And lock them in there. Snap them in. You don't need to open these anymore, but because I took all the backing out of them. That's it. And that's the other one. And that's the slam latch. As you can see, the back of them. But outside of the camper looks nice. And I just put the other slam latch on today. And I still have to change these out. That's what I'm talking about, the silver. I could have just left them on there, but I think those black caps, dust covers, are going to look much nicer. And that's the slam latch. Now this one doesn't slam, but I don't need it to slam. I just need it to lock. And it locks nicely, and you can open it up and close it nicely. So that's how it looks right now, but I'm gonna exchange these with the dust covers. Looks much cleaner. Yeah, it looks much cleaner. Looks nice. Alright, that's what I wanted to show you, the dust covers, the black dust covers that covers up the cam locks, and it looks much nicer. So I did that project is almost over. I need to put the two dust covers on the other door, and I'm done with the slam locks and dust covers. So we're good there. So without further ado, if you have any questions, put it in the comments. Without further ado, we'll see you on the other side. That was saved by your little girl. She helped her mother by helping another. A birthday present you'll never forget. I'm so happy you've recovered. Can't live without you. I'm so happy I can say, let's get old and watch the